Hey friends, it's Laura with Laura's Handmade Haven. Welcome or welcome back. I'm so glad you joined me today. I have a product review for you today, and these are on some battery operated wall sconces. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, I'm just going to be honest first and foremost. When they first approached me with these, I was like, no thanks. I just did some wall sconces and it was, it was fine, but that's like not my thing, right? And then they came back and said, please, we really appreciated the other sconces video that you did for us, and we think that you would like these. Until I started putting them together today, I still was not sold. But then I was like, wait a minute, okay, this is cool. And my hesitation was they're battery operated, right? So it's a rechargeable battery, but it's another rechargeable device in my house, right? But this is not what I thought it was going to be like. So let me show you two things. One, what I'm going to do to them, and two, why I think they're cool. So we're going to swing on over to the craft table so you can see how I'm going to modify this, and then we're going to put one together so you can see how quick it really was to put together and why I think this was a brilliant design. All right, so on the craft table, actually, let me show you this one first. I have one finished because I wanted to show you what this was all about. So what I've done is I've used some removable vinyl to put on the inside of the shade of this cute little wall sconce. And so it's removable, which means I can change it up as many times as I want. But Valentine's Day is coming quickly. So, and look at this, the light in the sconce changes all different colors. You can have the bright white, you can have a yellow, it's a 4000K or a 3000K, which is a little more yellow. And you can also use them as a nightlight, which is super cool. There are some other settings on the remote. So you can do like a heartbeat going through different colors. And then you can also do the a fade or a switch. So super cool. You can also have like a little party vibe going on, but I don't really want to do that. There is a timer on the remote as well, so you can set it to automatically shut off after 30, 60, or 120 minutes. And yeah, so the remote will power the light, and there's actually two lights. The other one down here, you didn't see it blinking, but it will power both of them and set them both to be like doing the same thing, right? So you only have one remote. It does come with two, so if you want to put them in different rooms or something, then you can just leave the remote where it's at, but you can power both of the devices with the one remote. So let me set this over to the side, and I'm going to show you how we're going to turn the other shade into a his. So what I've done with the Cricut is I've just cut out some removable vinyl, and I just cut out the his and hers and some hearts. And so I also used my transfer tape to put the his onto, and I measured 3/4 of an inch from the bottom of this bottom line here that's a grid on my transfer tape to the bottom of the actual tape itself, because I'm going to use that to line up inside the shade. So let me pull this off of here. And then on the shade itself, there is a seam that goes up the back of the shade. So I'm going to say that that is the absolute back of the shade. And then I'm just going to take the his using that 3/4 inch at the bottom and just going to place it right in here. I'm going to put that right on the bottom little edge of the lampshade right here. And you press that into place. Now, I would definitely say that if you didn't want this to show up during the day, that you should probably not use a black vinyl. You should probably use like a white, and that way it would like kind of fade into your shade a little better. But I wanted this to be a little, a little wink during the day, and then even more pronounced at night when the lights are on. All right, so there's the first part. So there's the his, and then I'm just going to take the hearts and put them wherever I want inside the shade. And you're doing this on the inside of the shade, not the outside. So when you're cutting your stuff out, make sure you reverse everything. Now, I will tell you with the larger shapes, if you do hearts like I did here, with the larger shapes, just make sure you get them really good and flat, because you don't want to see any like bubbling or anything on the outside of your shade. And yes, you could definitely put the shapes on the transfer tape as well. You don't have to do what I'm doing here. I'm kind of navigating around the little brace for the shade inside. Let me place the rest of these hearts, and then we'll put together the sconce. All right, so then to put the sconce together, there are several pieces, and it does come with everything you need in the box. For each one of the wall sconces, you're obviously going to need a light bulb, and you're going to need the hook that goes onto the base that goes onto the wall, and the base that's for the wall, the light socket, which, I mean, it is a light socket and it does screw in, but it's not like what you really think. And then obviously a light bulb. And then there's 3 pieces of hardware, just a nut, a locking washer, and a regular washer. So this is super easy. You're not even going to believe this. Okay, so here's the base. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and put this part together first. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this little black decorative thing and you're going to stick it on there. And then you're going to use the flat washer and you're going to stick that right over the screw threads that come up. And you're just going to twist this into place. And then let's go ahead and put this through the back of the wall bracket. Now, on the wall bracket, there are 2 little slots on either side, and that's for the bracket that goes onto the wall. So try to get those level, but this is not your last chance, right? You'll be able to adjust this and move it if it's not perfectly level. But I would try to get it sort of level. You're going to put the locking washer on first, and then the nut, and you're just going to screw that on. Now this is the part where I thought this is not going to work, but they must have tested it because it does. This little bitty washer, or this little bitty wrench comes with the set, and so you just need to tighten this nut down around that washer. And like I said, I didn't have my slots perfectly even, but I can rotate that a little bit so they are. So they're level, so when I put that bracket on the wall, it'll be good to go. The next thing we got to do is put this little light ring, and this is actually for your lampshade to sit on. So you're just going to screw that down to the black little base of the, whatever that is. And then you're going to put your lampshade on, and that's going to rest on there. And then this, the light bulb, just screws in like a, normal light bulb, except it's not a normal light bulb. Because, and this is what's super cool, to charge it, the charging port is on the side of this light, and this is actually magnetic onto the base. So you're really screwing the magnetic base tight down into the light. Hang on, I did that wrong, but guess what? We can fix it. Okay. This goes on after your shade. Oh my goodness. But look, we can fix it. It's no big deal. This comes off. This goes on. Then the ring goes on. The ring goes on to hold the light shade in place. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Silly me. I put one of these together on purpose before because I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was doing, and then I still messed up. All right, and then this is the base for the light, and it can just screw in there. And you can do that with the light on there if you want, but I found it was easier to take the light bulb off. Okay, so like I said, these have a remote, so you don't have to have this little button on the side, but you can turn them on and off with the button on the side. You want the remote so you can do all of the color adjustments though. And then that just goes in there, and we have a light completed. Fun, right? Oh, I need to change, I need to just turn my shade a little bit. There we go. And I mean, it's not really, in fact, I can go and turn off the light in here so you can see these better. All right, so that shows a lot better, right? So these are gonna be so cute on either side of the bed just for Valentine's Day. And you can switch them out. But how cute would this be in a kid's room or in a game room? And you can put some, like the card suits on there. Or maybe like you want to do some, I don't know, maybe you have a kid's room that's themed and you want to make sure that the theme goes to, or you could do something really pretty, like in a bathroom, you could use just some fleur-de-lis or some scroll work or something like that inside the shade, anything you want. But really, since this is removable vinyl, you can just put it on there and then take it back off, and you can have custom lampshades whenever you want and not have to think about buying more and more lampshades. And these are so cool because, they change colors. Like, how fun is that? That is so fun. So fun. And they're easy to put together. Just remember which order that goes in. But you're not going to be putting these together all the time. You're going to put them together once. So, it's good. It's all good. And it's a nice little nightlight too. That would be so fun in a guest bathroom. So, like I said, these are magnetic. And this is what I think is the coolest feature ever. This top part of the light bulb being magnetic, and you can just grab it out and charge it up when needed. Personally, I think that is the best feature ever, and I feel like the company should lead with that and says, hey, these light bulbs are magnetic and you don't have to take the whole lamp apart to charge it, and you don't have to take this huge battery pack out to go charge it. It's just this light bulb part that goes and you charge it and then you put it back in and you're ready to go again. So super fun, super easy. And I hope that this little trick on how to customize a lampshade is beneficial for you. Let me know in the comments down below, what would you put on your lampshade? I would love to hear some more ideas. And I'd love to know if you've done this before. I know that I've seen other people do it, so I know it's not an original thought or anything, but I definitely think that these are super cool, and I love the wall sconces. So check them out. Here again is the box, and there is a link in the description box below. But this is what you're looking for. Super cute. Until next time, find joy in all you do. Carve out some time for crafting and creating. And remember, it's always better when you make stuff up.